So today we'll be starting with the content. What we have done last time, can anyone tell me? One by one, can we have a session related to what we have done last time? Yes, anyone? Come on. Yes, go on, Steve.
So we learned how to make the different geometric figures on AutoCAD, like the square, the circle, etc.
Anything else?
We learned mirror. Then we learned the different templates needed when you just have to start AutoCAD.
Okay. What else? Yes, anyone else other than Steve? Yes, Rishika.
Yes, sir. We also learn how to move or copy things
Okay.
and make a fillet, array, and I think we also saw layer also like lines and different kind of lines and how to change color and how to type name and how
Oh,
to change the name of like color of the name we have written.
okay.
Um, I don't remember anything else. I guess dimension. We also show dimension also.
Okay. Do we have we seen the setting of the dimensions?
Uh, Setting of the dimension. Yes, like add leader and remove leader, align, collect, then angular.
No, the change of the what I'm asking is change of the size of the dimension.
No, no, no.
Okay, we have not done that. Okay. Related to, yeah, anything else anyone wants to? Yeah, Darshan, go on.
Sir, we also learn hatching.
Okay, we had hatching. Anything else? Anyone? Yeah, Purva, go on.
So we learned how to make chamfer and fillet in polygons.
Okay, okay. Lower your hand. Anyone else? Anyone else? Anything else you have studied? Okay. Yeah, Om, go on with your question.
We studied about how to mirror any
Okay.
particular drawing.
Okay, how to mirror. Anything else? Yeah, everyone. Okay. Students, did you got the last time's video recording? Yes, students, did you got the last time? No. Is it like that? Okay. Because it was already being shared with Vimal sir. He might have given you the things. Have you all seen? No one? Oh, fine, no issues. Om, what you do is, no issues. So, fine, no issues. I thought that it is being forwarded to you. I have forwarded to Vimal sir on the same day. Okay. So, Om, what you can do is, yeah, go on, Om.
Sir, actually,
So till now we have done as per what you have said. We have done with respect to the how to draw the lines, how to set the units, how to set the drawing limit. At the same time, what are the different what do you say circle types, and then we have seen the different polygons. After then we have seen the how to go for the fillet, chamfer. Then we have seen hatching, and then we have seen different ways of like different types of lines. So and how to color that lines. We have seen different types of text, how to write down the text using a multi-line text. And then the dimension, we have seen that how the dimension is given for the radius, for the diameter, for the inclined line, for the straight lines, okay, linear, that all we have done. Okay, so now only I'll show you the editing of the dimension, how to edit the dimension. Then we'll start with the sheet problem. The sheet problem which is there, that you have to complete it and then you have to submit it. Okay, so we'll discuss with that. So let's start with it, and just let me know that my screen is visible to you or not. So yes, are you able to see my screen? Just by thumbs up you can just let me know. Yeah, fine, no issues. So almost everyone is able to see my screen. Good. So let's start with it. Okay, so I'll show you the dimension first of all. Okay, so that later on we can continue with the drawing. Okay, so let's take I'm making a rectangle. Am I audible completely? Everyone, am I audible completely? Yeah, fine. So let's take, I'm just putting a rectangle. The rectangle is of the distance of 20 comma 50. Let's take like that, 20 comma 50. So this is the rectangle what we are having, 20 comma 50. Now if I want to give the dimension of this, okay, if I want to give the dimension of this, what I have to go with, I have to go with this arrow. I have to click on this arrow, and then I have to go with a linear. Then I have to click it here as well as here. Then this is giving me the dimension, but I'm not able to see the dimension. Yes, students. So I'm not able to see the dimension. So now this dimension, I want to make a change. So for that, what we have to do is we have to type DS. DS. The moment you type DS, you can go to dimension style. It is not D settings, but you have to go to dimension style. Click on dimension style, it will give you one pop-up. Okay, the box will be getting opened, and in that box you have to click on modify. Where you have to click on modify. The moment you'll click on modify, what will happen is you have to fill some data. What are the data? So the arrow size, you keep it 3. These are all the standard conditions, whatever I'm telling you. So just note it down in your book if you have it. Otherwise, remember it and later on you can note it. So the arrow size is your 3, and then we have a text. So first you will be going with an arrow size. In the symbol and arrow, you go with an arrow size 3, then text. In the text case, you will be going with 4. After then, in the case of a vertical, you will put it above, and then here text alignment, you will put it ISO standard. Okay, so keep it in mind, vertical above, ISO standard, text alignment is ISO standard, and text height you have to keep it 4. These all are standards. Now offset from dimension line you have to keep it 1. ठीक है, and then fit में कुछ नहीं करना है, and then you have to go to primary units. ठीक है, तो primary units में you have to select the precision which is 0.0. ठीक है, 0.0 कर दो, और you can keep it 0.00 as well. That is not a problem. 2 0 तक चलेगा, and then you can click OK. And keep it in mind, just after this, don't close it. You have to click on set current. Set current. You have to click on set current and then close. Now you'll get the dimension properly. Okay, students. So once again repeating what I have done, I have typed DS, and in that I have gone to dimension style. Dimension style manager box is being opened. In that I have clicked on modify. After clicking on modify, I'll go with a symbol and arrow. Their symbol and arrow, in that arrow size I've kept 3. After then I have come to text, then text height is 4. Then text placement, in the case of vertical it is above, in the case of horizontal it is centered, and offset from dimension line is 1, and text alignment you keep it ISO standard. In that fit is nowhere needed, कुछ नहीं करना है fit में, primary unit में आना है, you have to keep precision 0.00, that's all, and then OK, and then set current is important है. Modify वो पूरा complete करने के बाद you have to click on set current and then you have to close it and then give you the dimension. So I hope it is clear to all. I have not gone faster, isn't it? Am I gone faster? Yes, students. Okay, so the twice I have already done बच्चा लोग, and I expect कि like now you will be seeing a video and then you will be going with it. ठीक है, dimension का. Okay. So these are the two ways of doing the things, talking about the dimension. And one more thing I want to tell you, one more thing, as in just have a look. What is the difference? I am taking a rectangle. ठीक है, मैं एक rectangle लेता हूँ like this. Okay. Now I am taking a line command. See, the green box is being seen. Na? This green box is seen. This green box is seen, right? ये green box, green triangle, green box. In might be some cases that your green box will not be appeared. ठीक है? It might happen that in some cases your green box is not appearing. So for that, what you have to do is you have to go to this arrow, which is your snap mode on. ठीक है, स्नैप मोड का एरो है, उस पर क्लिक करोगे आप और आप क्लिक करके फिर स्नैप सेटिंग्स में जाओगे. फिर से बता रहा हूं, there is an arrow which is your explaining snap mode. So snap mode you have to click and then you have to go to snap settings. In snap settings you have to click on object snap. Now listen, the moment I'll untick this, the green box will not be appeared. The moment I'll tick it, the green box will appear. देखो, untick कर देता हूँ, ठीक है, और इसको बंद कर देता हूँ. Sorry, I'm not print close. हाँ देखो, ये untick करना है, फिर OK करना है, ठीक है. Now see line command. अभी आ रहा है बच्चों? Is it coming now? It is not coming now, right? It is not coming now. So that means what? Your snap grid is off. Okay, when it is on, then only it will show, otherwise it will not show. Let's have a look once again. Object snap, ये बंद चालू किया. Okay, now we'll come to line command. Now see it is seen. Yes or no, students? Be interactive, otherwise monotonous. Okay. Okay. So this was something what we have seen in the case of snap settings. So things are almost all the things are being clear now. I'll just erase this part and let's start with the drawing. Now. Okay. Fine. Give me 2 minutes. Just practice the things, whatever is being told to you. Just now shown to you, the things, whatever is being shown to you. Just practice it. I'll give you 1 minute time for that. And then we will start with the problem. Okay. So the people, those who were talking about how to give the dimension settings, how to go with the dimension settings, then in that case, you have to type DS, enter. In that, you have to go with dim style. Dim style represents dimension style manager. Okay, dim style represents what? Dimension style manager. So dim style पे click करेंगे आप, and then what you will do is you will reach to dim style पे click करेंगे and then you will reach where? Will be reaching to dimension style manager block. ठीक है, किस पे पहुंच जाएंगे आप? डायमेंशन स्टाइल मैनेजर ब्लॉक पे पहुंच जाएंगे. Okay. After then, what you have to do? You have to click on modify, and then you have to click on modify, and then आपको symbol and arrow में जाना है. Symbol and arrow में जाने के बाद arrow size आपको कितनी रखनी है? Yes, आपको कितनी रखनी है arrow size? The arrow size should be 3. ठीक है? Yes, Sagar, go on with the question.
सर आपकी स्क्रीन विजिबल नहीं है.
I know it is not visible because I am just making the things ready for you. That's why I was just revising the things whatever was being told. Okay, so till now it was being done. Let's come to now the problem. Now this is the problem what we are having, students, for the case of drawing the diagram. Okay, everyone, this is the diagram what we are having, and this diagram we will be drawing it. So now this is the arrow, and this arrow represents that you are being standing there. Okay, you are being standing here. All the students are standing here. Now, for this particular diagram, can people tell me what is the length, width, and height of the figure? What is the length, width, and height of the figure? फटाफट आंसर दे दो, जल्दी से सब लोग आंसर दे दो फटाफट. I'm just waiting for your answer. What is the length, width, and height of the figure? Come on, जल्दी से आंसर दे दो. Yeah. So the length of the figure is 75. Okay, length of the figure is 75, and width of the figure is 30. Okay, and height of the figure is, it is 27 plus 15. 27 plus 15, which is 42. Okay, 27 plus 15, which is 42. So that is something what we are having in the case. Okay, everyone is knowing height is not 27, it is 27 plus 15. ये 15 भी लेना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, हमें अभिषेक, these all keep it in mind. ये 27 plus 15. ठीक है, 27 plus 15. And the width, very good, Steve. Steve is good one. He has opted it correctly. This is 30. Half is 15, so the complete circle is being made. So it is your 15. So 15 plus 15 is 30. Everyone understood. Width 28 hai. No, width is not 28. Width is who is this? Sagar. It is 15 this side and 15 this side, and that is why this arc is being made. No, semicircle is being made. So the semicircle completes this 15 this side and 15 this side. I hope it is clear, everyone. Okay. Okay, so let's move further. So that was something, what was the length, width, and height of the figure. Very good. Now, these are the three parameters. Students, these are the three parameters what we are able to see in the case of while seeing any of the object. Okay, while seeing any of the object, we are able to see these three parameters. Now, students, just let me know that if you are standing here, which are the two parameters you are able to see? If you are standing here, these are the three parameters. By standing here, which are the two parameters you are able to see? Please put it in a chat. Very good, very good. People are giving the correct answer. Very good. That is length and height. Length and height you are able to see. You are not able to see the width. You are not able to see the width. Very good. Suppose that if I'm seeing from the top, which are the two parameters I'm able to see? When you see from the top, very good, width and length. Yeah, length and width. We are not able to see the height of the figure. Okay, we are not able to see the height of the figure. That's great. What about the case when we are seeing from this end? When we are seeing from this end, what are the two parameters we'll be able to see? Come on. From here, if I am seeing it, which are the two parameters I'll be able to see? Very good. It is height and width. It is height and width. Now, student, tell me one more thing. If you are here, okay, if you are here, you are able to draw which side view? Okay, which side view is completely visible to you? This side or this one side? So which side view is completely visible to you? Students, if you are standing here, which side view is completely visible to you? Come on, give me your answer. If you are standing here, there are total three views we are able to see. Front view, which is coming in front of you. Top view, what you are seeing from the top. And now which side view you are able to visualize? Which side view? Side view are of two types. One is right hand side view and another is left hand side view. Okay, one is right hand side view and another is left hand side view. There are two different types of side view. So which side view you are able to visualize? See, Om is telling left. Are you able to see left? From left, anything? This is the left side, right? This is the left side. Very good, Anurag. This is the left side and this is the right side. So which one is clear, बच्चों? Which one is clear? Left side या right side? कौन सा clear है? Yeah, people are giving the answer. Very good. Right hand side. ठीक है, right. Anushri, still you are getting left view clearly. Left view तो कुछ नहीं दिख रहा बेटा. We are getting only the right hand side view. ठीक है, right hand side view कैसे हमने discuss किया? Because if I am standing here, my right hand comes this side. ठीक है, so right hand side view we are able to visualize it very clearly. हमको front view दिख रहा है, हमको टॉप व्यू दिख रहा है और हमको साइड व्यू कौन सा दिखेगा? राइट हैंड साइड व्यू दिखेगा. दैट इज, जस्ट प्लीज कीप इट इन माइंड, दिस इज द राइट हैंड साइड व्यू वी आर एबल टू विजुअलाइज. आई होप एवरीवन इट इज क्लियर. Everyone it is clear. Everyone, anyone has any doubt, please raise the hand and ask. If everyone is clear, please put a thumbs up. If people are clear, put a thumbs up. If they are having query, then please put a raise hand. This is the front view, this is the top view, and this is the side view what we are having, which is your right hand side view. Okay, everyone is clear? Students, please give your response so that we can understand and we can go with it. Yes, I'm waiting for the response. Waiting for the response. Come on. Come on, I'm waiting for the response, students. Yeah. Come on, I'm waiting for the response, students. Yes. So these are the three things what we are able to see in the case. Front view में length and height दिखता है, top view में length and width दिखता है, side view में width and height दिखता है. So when you see it very closely, you can understand that each view, okay, each view is having one parameter missing. Okay, once again repeating, each view, students, each view is having one parameter. One parameter is missing. So in this, width is missing, in this, height is missing, in this, length is missing. Okay, so means what? When you are drawing this front view, the missing parameter should be made zero. Should be made zero. करना कैसे है देखते हैं. Suppose that you are standing here. ठीक है बच्चों, आप यहाँ पर खड़े हो. ठीक है, what you do is you push this whole diagram and make it pitch को. ठीक है, push this whole diagram and make the whole diagram as pitch को. Means what? You are completely width, you are making it zero, isn't it? आप width को क्या कर रहे हो, 0 कर रहे हो. The moment you push it, then you are making the width as in 0. So in that case, when the width becomes 0, what are the things you are able to visualize? Okay, what are the things you are able to visualize? So can you all draw in your rough book that what are the things you'll be able to visualize in your front view? Come on, students, can you draw it in your rough book? What are the things you are able to visualize in your rough book? Can you draw it? Come on, draw it and tell me, everyone. I hope everyone is drawing it. Students. Yes, people are drawing it. I hope students are drawing it. Are you able to see this or something extra? Let me know. Are you able to see this or something extra? ये सबको दिख रहा है because visualization is very important, and if you are able to visualize, my work will get over. But if you are not able to visualize, then it will be going to be hectic. So anyone has any doubt with this? Okay, so people are clear, they are having this. Now, after this, can you make the top view? What you are able to see in a top view? So top view has which parameter missing? Which is your height. So height missing है, क्या करो इसको? ऊपर से प्रेस करो. ऊपर से प्रेस करो, इसकी हाइट पिच को कर दो, एकदम 0 कर दो, हाइट 0 कर दो. So in that case, what you are able to see, draw it. Come on, can you all draw it? Come on, can you all draw it? Yes. Draw it. See, unless and until you do practice in the case of drawing, you'll not be able to do Excel. Keep it in mind. Okay, आप not be able to do the correct drawing, or you can not be able to complete the drawing if you are not practicing it. The practice is very important in the case when you are going with these all things. So just let me know that you are getting the same diagram what I am getting it. Yes, come on. Have you made it? Yes, anyone has any question related to what we are doing? Yes, come on. I'm expecting some answers from you all people, that did you understood or not? If you are not able to understand, that will be difficult for us to make you go forward. Yes. Similar, there is a curve in a front. Yes. So anything you feel like it should not be there, and it is there. Yes, come on. Students, I need the answer. Otherwise, it seems to be like Yeah, so I'm getting the answers now. So this way. Something like this you are getting, isn't it? So I am just making it roughly right now, and then later on we'll just make it fairly, and then the things will be properly understood. Right. So something like this we are able to see, isn't it? Yes or no, Bacho? Something like this will be yes, it's the same. Good. So now I need, in the case of the third part, what is the third one? Side view. So side view has width and height. Okay? It has a width and height. Now you have to keep length 0. Means what? From here you just push it such that it becomes 0. Push this such that it should become 0. So how to make that? So for that, what you have to do is you have to go with this and just draw it roughly. Roughly in your book, I need it. At least you should draw something so that we can understand parallelly that okay, the things are being done in this way. Otherwise, you'll never understand what are the things being going on. So it is little important to make you this understand. Yeah. Yes. So that's good that people are understanding it. It's quite typical that so this way, and then so something like this. It's a touching. So like this way. Yes, this way. Now, students, can you tell me that is there is fine everything or is there is any error? Come on. Can anyone tell me? What was the third one to be imagined? The third one to be imagined, the page is like we have to stand here, we have to press from here. You can see here the side view is width and height. So means length you have to make it 0. So you have to push it from here and then you have to completely make the length as 0. Length completely make it 0. Push it from here. Push from here, completely make the length 0. What you are able to see, is it this one? Is it this what you are able to see? Come on. Come on, answer it fast. Yes, Om, go on.
सर जो बीच में मिड लाइन है ना
Hmm?
वो डिलीट करना चाहिए फिर प्रॉपर रहेगा
ये वाला?
हाँ सर
Very good, perfect. Means it is you are able to visualize. Good. That is only the thing. It was being made intentional so that at least people are, if they are visualizing it, then it is proper. Good, good, oh, good one. Similar, there is no line joining the box. Is it you are talking about this, Steve? I think so. Yes, almost like 2 to 3 people, 4 people have done. Yeah, good. That's good. So this is the final diagram basically for this part. Okay. So now let's understand. Let's understand what is the procedure to make this. Okay, students. So let's come to the procedure that how it is to be made. Okay, rather than now making the rough diagrams. So I expect from everyone that please take a screenshot of this diagram and keep it with you so that you can just refer this and you can draw it. Okay, so I'll give you a minute to just take a screenshot of this diagram so that It should just due to the small this dimension of this, it should be not seen to everyone. Okay, chalo, so everyone has taken the screenshot. Let's start with it. Yeah, good, perfect. So I'll just erase this part and then let's start with it. I hope you people are coming with me and then you are also trying the same thing. Good. So let's start with it. And then first what you have to do, everyone, is first you have to just make a vertical line. Just make a vertical line that length of a line, you keep it 120. You can keep it anything. It's not compulsory that you have to keep 120. You can keep 100, you can keep 80. It depends on you. That's not a big deal. Good. So what we'll do is we'll just put on the snap settings on karke rakho, and then we'll make one vertical horizontal line. Okay, we'll make one horizontal line. Okay, what is the length of the horizontal line? You can keep it anything, it's not problem. I'm just keeping it 80. Okay, so you can keep it anything, it's there's not an issue. 80 left side, and then I'll just extend this by keeping left side once again 80. Enter. Escape. So this is the two lines what we are making, and just let me know if you are done with this so that we can move forward, and simply you just put a thumbs up so that I can understand, and then we can start further. Perfect. Yeah. Yeah, perfect. So these are the two lines what we are making. The first line we have made vertical, and then we have made horizontal line. Horizontal line is passing by this vertical line midpoint, and that's it. Now what you have to do is similar to this line, you have to make 10 mm line here. At a 10 mm distance, you have to make a line, vertical line here, and at a 10 mm once again you have to make a vertical line here. Can you tell me which which command we will be using it to draw this? Yeah. I'm just waiting for it. Not a problem. It is expected from everyone that they are supposed to draw it parallelly. Okay. Okay, no worries. So once again repeating, if you don't have, if you are not able, if you are unable to do it, so let's start with it once again. You have to draw one vertical line. Okay, you have to draw one vertical line. The vertical line you can keep any distance. Here I am keeping 120. 120, enter, escape. Okay, 120, enter, escape. Now after this, what I am doing is I want to make a perpendicular line, which is horizontal line. So what I'll do is I'll just click on a midpoint, left click, and I'll go on the right side, giving the dimension 80, 80, enter, escape, 80, enter, escape. You can take it any, it's not compulsory that you have to take it this only, so not to worry about it. And this is something which is we are making it random, so not at all worry. Okay. Now I want to make the same line this side as well. So what I'll do is I'll just click on this, and then I'll click on one of the end such that it converts into red, and then I can extend this line. Okay, extending this line again, I'll put it 80, and that will complete my line. So extending a line is an idea just to consider it as a single line. That's all. You can make it a different line as well. Yeah, no issues. So almost everyone has done till here. Can we move further? Yes. Thumbs up. Yeah, perfect. I need few more so that people are with me. Otherwise, I thought of like just teaching 2 to 3 students only. Good. So let's start with it once again. So what I have to do is I have to make the parallel lines, the vertical lines what I have made it. I have to make this vertical line on the right side, on the left side, both sides. Okay. This vertical line I have to make it on the right side as well as on the left side. But the distance between the two lines should be 10 mm. Okay, should be 10 mm. Can you tell me which command we have to use? Can you guys tell me which command we have to use? Can you tell me which command we have to use? Unit is mm. Yeah, very good. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Offset. Yes, offset. So what we will do is we will just select the line. Just select the line, we'll go with an offset. And now it is asking that your line should be through. So T, enter. I'll go on the right side. I'll just type 10, enter. Once again, I'll select, go left side, 10, enter. Escape. Yeah, perfect. Everyone is saying offset. That's good. That's this is the thing what you are supposed to remember. So this is the line what I have made it parallel here, as well as I made it parallel here by taking the 10 mm offset. Okay, so I hope you have written the offset how to go with. So you're already aware of it. Good. Similar way, you have to go with this as well. So 10 mm above and 10 mm below. For the horizontal line also, you have to do the same procedure. 10 mm above and 10 mm below. Again, you have to go with an offset. So I'll just select the line. I'll go with the offset. Now it is asking through T, enter. Now down, I have to take 10, enter. Once again, I'll select it and I'll go about 10, enter. This much. So, and press escape. We're done with this. Till here, if you have done, let me know so that I can move further. Yeah. So once it has been done, let me know so that I can start further. 10 mm above, 10 mm below, 10 mm left side, 10 mm right side. So the units what we have set already at the starting only, that is units and limits we have already set, and I hope you have set it. Yes. Perfect. Chalo. Good. So people have done it, and then that's all. Good, good, good one. Now what we will do is, now student properly listen. Related to the orientation, some thumb rule I'm telling you right now, and later on in the class when this will be happening, at that time it will be informed to you. Okay, so just few thumb rules. Remember, what is that? Front view will always be coming above the horizontal line. Okay, front view will always be coming above the horizontal line. Top view will be coming always below the horizontal line. Okay, top view will be coming just below the horizontal line. Front view will be coming above the horizontal line. Side view will be coming. Side view will be coming above the horizontal line. Okay. Front view will be coming above the horizontal line. Top view will be coming below the horizontal line. Side view will be coming above the horizontal line. But if the side view is right hand side view, then it will be coming on left side of front view. फिर से बोल रहा हूं, in the case of right hand side view, the right hand side view will be made just on the left side of the front view. And if left hand side view is to be made, it is to be made on the right hand side of the front view. Please note it down somewhere. Front view above the XY line, top view below the XY line, side view, may right hand side view will be coming on left hand side of the front view, and left hand side view will be coming on right hand side of the front. I hope it is clear to all. By showing a thumbs up, please show your agreement. I hope it is clear. Good. So now, in this case, we are able to see a right hand side view. So that will be made here. Okay. Now we'll make a front view. So front view may, what is the length and length and height? So what we will do is we'll take a rectangle. We'll take a rectangle and clicking it here, left click, will give the size of the rectangle. So length and height. Length matlab 75, comma, what is the height? 42. Enter. We got this rectangle. Everyone, please complete that. If you have done it, it's good. Everyone, please complete this box. If you have done, that's good one. Yeah, Amay, go on.
Sir, can you please repeat about what to do about rectangle?
This rectangle are you talking about?
Yes, sir.
So this rectangle is a border line of the front view.
Okay.
So it is having a length and it is having a height.
So what should we take about the length?
The length kitna hai bacha?
75. Okay, understood.
And what is the height?
42.
Yeah, so that is should be the dimension of this rectangle.
Okay,
Lower your hand, mute yourself. Good. So everyone is clear with this. This is the format. This is the front view ka box. This is the front view ka box. In this front view, you are having your length from here, starting from this point. Yahan se length and then height, which is this length and height is given for the front view के लिए length और height दिया था. This is the length and this is the height. Perfect. Now coming to next is top view. So what about the top view? So top view में भी यहाँ पकड़ना है, and then I have to make it down. Okay, so the length is 75, comma. Okay, now we have to make it down. So in the top view, we are having a width which is -30. We have to put -30. And why we are putting -30? Students, why we are putting -30? Because it is coming below the XY line. Okay, the Y component below the XY line is negative. The Y component below the XY line is negative, and that is why we are putting it as -30, such that I should get the rectangle. Everyone, this is your length and this is your width. I hope it is clear now, everyone. This is the top view का box. Front view ये box है, and this is the top view का box. Now we will be going with the side view. As we are seeing a right hand side view, it is made, should be made on the left side of the front view. So in this case, what is the length? This side view में width and height दिखता है, ठीक है ना? So what is the width? So width is 30. So minus 30. And what is the height? So height should be positive because it is minus x and plus y. So 42. Minus 30, comma 42. Enter. So with this, my boundaries are being completed. If you understood, we can go forward. Otherwise, we can understand this first. Yeah, anyone has any doubt, they can ask. Anyone has any doubt, they can ask. Anyone has any doubt, they can ask. Yes, Divyanshu, go on.
Sir, hello sir.
Yes, go on.
Can I show you some screen I have heard with my
Sorry.
camera? With my camera.
Yeah, go on, go on. Yes, student, till then, please make it fast. Divyanshu, we are not able to see your drawing. Okay, so with this, we are able to complete it till here. Anyone has any problem, or should we move further? Can we move further, बच्चों लोग? Perfect. So we'll move further now. So going with the line command. Now I have to draw a front view. So यहाँ पे आप लोग front view बनाएंगे, यहाँ पे top view बनाएंगे और यहाँ पे side view बनाएंगे. So let's have a look how it is being made. I'll take a line command and from here I'll make a line that is till here 75. Then I have to go above. Above कितना जाना है? 11. Enter. 11 कहाँ से पता चला? ये देखो यहाँ पे लिखा है. ठीक है बच्चा? कहाँ लिखा है 11? ये देखो 11 यहाँ पे. तो 75 और फिर 11 ऐसे चढ़ गए. ठीक है? So 11. After then, what I have to do is I have to reach till the last. हम last तक पहुंच जाते हैं. ठीक है? Last तक चले जाते हैं. Everyone done till here? Yes, everyone done till here. हमने किया क्या? 75, 11 ऊपर लिया, and then till the last we reached. 75, 11, and then starting from here, we reached till here. Everyone done till here? Yes. Come on, let me know if you have done. Yes, students. This is very important because you are supposed to submit this drawing. Okay, you are supposed to submit this drawing print out in the form of a PDF file. You have to submit it. So all the students are supposed to draw this. Okay, चलो हम आगे चलते हैं. Now from here, you can see here there is a. Yeah, am I go on with your question?
I'm still not completed with the rectangles. My rectangles are not coming in lines. They are coming in full solid shapes.
Okay, no issues. No issues due to some errors it might be happening. Okay. Due to some errors it might be happening. So what you can do is you can follow the this video later on. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
You can follow the video later on. If you feel like the things are not working as per the requirement, then you can follow this. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Dipesh, go on with your question. Dipesh. Dipesh, by mistake, he had, I think so, put on his this, raise the hand. Okay, so let's come to next is, I think so, breakout room gonna be closed after 9 seconds, 8 seconds. We'll wait for a second and then we'll start.
Sir, 80 minute. Actually, I think there is some problem with the breakout room वाला setting. I think मैंने timing off नहीं किया था उसका. 60 minutes रह गया था. Karthik sir, just a second, please come back into the main room. उसके बाद वापस breakout room add करता हूँ. नहीं, it was because of that reason. Yeah, please. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I guess everyone is there in this particular main room now. And just for the understanding of everyone, the morning I had told about some polling session. So this is what we were supposed to go. But again, I think it is still not going to be possible because someone else was already logging in. So I am not able to do it again. So maybe we'll see it in the next lecture altogether now. I'll just recreate the polling rooms now. And from there, we will just go ahead. Sorry, breakout rooms. The breakout rooms are open. People can join.
So students, so what we were doing was, my screen is visible to you all. Yeah, students, may let me know. Yes. Visible, my screen is visible. Put a thumbs up or yes. Okay, fine. Fine. So yeah. So the things are visible. Fine. So what we have done was we have started with the 75, which was we were talking about this 75 and then 11 above, and then we took the line till the last one. After then, from here, student from this point, okay, this point, we'll go 21 up, 21 above. Is it 21 or 27? How much? 27. 27 above. Is it clear? I'm talking about this value. So I was talking about this value, which is 27. Okay. From the base is taken as 27. Fine. After that, at the right, I'll be taking 30. 30. And then I'll join here. Yes, everyone, draw till here. What was being done? I was being 27 above, and then this 30. Here I have made a line, the center line, which is just a reference for the making a circle. 27 above, 30, and then join. I have repeated once again, starting from here 27 above, 30 here, right side, and then down. From here 27 above, 30 right side, and then down. 27 above, 30 right side, and then down. So that was being done. Anywhere, anyone feeling problem, please tell me. Otherwise, let me know when I have to go forward. Yep. Yes, come on. If you have done, show the thumbs up so that we can move forward. Starting from this point, 75 right, because this was 75 right. Then above, going above, which was 11. So this is gone 11. And then I've taken the line till the last. Now starting from here, that was 27 above. So that is your 27 above, and then the center line, which is for the circle. So center line. So that is the line what I'm making it here, and then dropping down, dropping down. That's all what it is being done. Yeah. Anyone has any doubt, they can ask. Otherwise, once it is done, let me know about the whether I can go forward or not. So I hope everyone has done till here. Now moving further. Now what we will do is we will be making this circle, semicircle. ये जो semicircle है वो हमको बनाना है. Okay, this semicircle I have to make. The semicircle is having a radius of 15. Semicircle is having a radius of 15. So I'll take it a semicircle which is center radius. Center I know, and the radius will be this. After that, I have to delete this lower semicircle. So for that, I'll be using a trim option. Control A, select the object, and then trim. Simply trim. Escape. After then, नहीं arc नहीं बनाना है. Arc से it is not coming fine. You just make it with the help of a circle. Next is we are supposed to make the another circle, which is this one, inner circle, has a diameter of 15. 15 का diameter है इसका. So we'll go with the center diameter. We'll click it here once again. It is common, and then we'll type 15. We'll give you the other one. After then, this much is to be. सबका इतना हो गया. Let us know. Yes, Anushri, go on.
सर आप सेमी सर्कल का पार्ट एक बार बता सकते हो प्लीज?
Once again repeating, don't unmute yourself, mute yourself. Going to circle, center radius, I'm clicking on center and then making a radius. Radius is 15. Now I have to remove this part. ये नीचे का part remove करना है. So उसके लिए मेरे को trim करना पड़ेगा. So Control A. I have to go to trim option. Then I have to simply select the portion which I want to trim. And then press escape. That completes your semicircular part. Then I have to go to circle with the inner circle. Its diameter is 15. Center will be common. And this will be taken as 50. That completes your discussion. So, yeah. So everyone is done till here. Now we have to convert this line into a center line. So we'll go here, other, load. Center 2x. Okay. Now I'll select the line. I'll go to by layer. This is giving me a center line. Once again repeating, we select the line, by layer, load, other पे जाके load करो, center 2x. Okay. Move out of it. Select the line, click on it, and then center. You'll be able to complete the center line. Yes, once you have done, please show your thumbs up so that we can move further. Yes, Sarthak.
सर ये जो इनर रेडियस है ना, तो उसका तो डायमेंशंस क्या है?
It is mentioned in the diagram. See how much it is.
एक सेकंड. 15.
Yeah, 15 क्या?
mm.
And 15 mm is fine. Diameter or radius?
A diam. Wait a minute. Just a second.
ये symbol क्या represent करता है?
Diameter.
Diameter, yes.
Diameter. Okay.
So 15 mm का diameter.
Okay.
Lower your hand, mute yourself. Yes. Anyone else has any issue or people have done? If you have done, guys, please tell me. Otherwise, मैं रुका रहूँगा और आप आगे जाओगे. तो with that, the whole around 32 students will be there itself. Yes, Darshan, go on.
Wala part.
Sorry?
Sir, can you repeat that semicircular line?
Are you talking about this?
No, sir, that line, straight line.
This?
Yes, yes.
You have to select this and you have to load it. ना बच्चा ये तो सिखाया ना मैंने. How to load a line? Yes or no? वहां से देखो आपने बुक में लिखा होगा. I have taught you that how to convert the line into center line and hidden line. So that you have seen already. वो लिखा होगा आपने कहीं पे. Please verify. Just go through that. Okay. After this, what we will do is we will just this portion. This line is not there. तो हम इसको delete कर देंगे. Control A, trim, and this line was not there. इसको हमने delete कर दिया. Darshan, lower your head. So this was something what was being present. ये इतना था. It is having few more things to be added in it, but वो थोड़ी देर बाद बताता हूँ मैं. Let's talk now on top view. Okay, we'll talk on top view. Top view शुरू करते हैं. Now, when you will go with the top view, okay, बच्चों, when you will go with the top view, in that case, what is their length and width? Height को pitch को करना है. So what I have to do is I have to just press this whole figure and make the height 0. Press the whole figure and make the height 0. That means what? We have a complete base. Then complete base हमको दिखेगा. So what I'll do is first of all I'll make a rectangle of a same size. Okay. I'll make a rectangle of the same size and then we'll go further. Or I'll just go with the lines, not a problem. So lines से लग ठीक. Lines here, यहाँ से used here, and यहाँ से used यहाँ. So how much we have to do? So for that, what I'll do is I suggest like 75 minus 15. We should go. That is 60. 75 minus 15. That is 60. I hope it is clear to everyone. 75 minus 16 is clear to everyone. We are just removing this portion because this portion I have to make a circle. Semicircle banana hai. So I'll reach till here. So from here I reach this 30, which is width, and then I have to 60. 75 minus 50. Then I reach here, and then once again I reach here. That is what it is written. Height became 0. Yes, height became 0. Correct. Now what I'll do is I'll make a circle. So that is your center radius circle. So now we have to remove this portion which is extra. Control A. Trim. We have to remove that. Keep that. Students. what we have done was we have first taken the width, means which is the width we are talking about. We have taken a width and then we reached till here, which is 65. Then we have drawn this line and then we have drawn this line. Now we have drawn this outer semicircle. The outer semicircle हमने बनाया. अब ये inner semicircle बनाना. Inner semicircle का can anyone tell me what is the diameter? Can anyone tell me what is the circle diameter? Semicircle diameter. Can anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me what is the semicircle ka diameter? Yes, Dipesh.
It's 12 mm.
Yeah, very good. It is 12 mm. It is written here 12 mm. So we 12 mm यहाँ पर होगा diameter. So what I'll do is I'll once again take a circle, semicircle. और यहाँ पे उसका diameter लिखना है. Radius 6 होगा. Very good. Perfect. Perfect. So 16. ठीक है, ये हो गया. Now extra part हमको remove करना है. So for that trim will be the option what you will be taking it. You remove कर देंगे. Now you have to create this slot. Yes, a slot create करना. So what I'll do for this slot, this portion is being done. ये portion हो गया. अब मैं एक rectangle बना देता हूँ. 15 by 12 का एक rectangle बना दो, चलेगा. 15 by 12 का 15 by 12 का एक rectangle बन जाएगा. और फिर एक circle कर लेंगे draw. Like that way we can do. What we will do is by 12. So 15 from 12. So then we have to take it minus. In comma 12. So even you can make it with the help of a lines, not a problem. Not compulsory that you have to take a rectangle only. You can take it with respect to lines as well. Lines से भी draw कर सकते हैं. Circle बनाना है एक और. Okay. This is going to be better. This is going to be better. इसको भी हम delete करें. So I hope it is clear. Yeah, 15 by 12 का rectangle plus 12 diameter का semicircle. That's correct, Mukesh. Very perfect. So this is there. Now there are two strips gonna be coming here. Which is we are talking about this strip and this strip. That is how much? 8 by 30. देखो 15 है ना ये, तो टोटल कितना हुआ 30. So 30 by 8 का strip and at the two ends. At the two ends 30 by 8 का, so 30, 8 strip. Okay. 30, 8 strip. Now I'll do mirror of it. कैसे करना mirror? Like this. Mirror हो गया. So I personally feel that you are supposed to use almost all the command. It should not be like some command you are using and some command you are comfortable with. You are at the beginner stage, so You should use all the commands, and slowly your hands experience will be there, so you can use any. But at this beginning stage, you are supposed to use almost all the commands properly. So this is the top view what we are having. This is the top view we are having. Students, see to it that you have completed this. This is the top view we are having. Everyone, top view we are having. Yes. So front view and top view, both two problem, these two views we have completed. There is some minor changes to be made, but almost the things whatever is visible that we have done. Is it done, students? So that and a very important part, keep on saving your file. Keep on saving your file, everyone. I request everyone that please keep on saving your file. Keep on saving your file. So that it will be helpful for this everyone to. It is always to be a DWG file, dot DWG file. Please save it. Whenever you draw something, after every 5 to 10 minutes, or randomly after every 5 to 6 commands, just make the change, make the save. So till here, everyone is done. So the people have done good, very good. So let's go with the side view then. In the case of a side view, first we have to make a base. So that is the base what we are talking about, this 11. And reaching to here, the width is 30. This and then connected to this. What we have drawn right now, we have drawn this one. This portion we have drawn. Okay, students, we have drawn this. The base 30, 11, 30, 11. This we have drawn. After then, there is a two strips, which is this and this. So 8, and the height will be a till the last. Till the last means till here. So you can do the measurement or till the last you can mention. So measurement is 8, comma. Now, what will be the this is the height. So 42 minus 11. 42 minus 11 becomes 31. 31. This is the case. Okay, total is how much? 42, and this is 11. So 42 minus 11 is 31. So this is 31. Now I'll take the mirror command of it. So mirror command will be taken. This completes your diagram of side. Length becomes 0. Very good question. So this way you have to complete it. If people has done, then I can go forward. Please let me know once you are done. Yes, come on, done everyone. Perfect. So let's understand few things now. When you see from here, chalo, ab sunna shuru karo, ab concept aa raha hai iske andar. So when you see from here, are you able to see this line? Yes or no? Just put a button. Come on. When you see from here, are you able to see this line? No. So the lines which are being present, but you are not able to see from the particular view, then that type of lines are said to be as a hidden line. Okay, that type of lines are being said to be as a hidden line. Lines present in the object, but in that particular view, you are not able to see that lines, then such type of lines are said to be as a hidden line. So हमको उसको draw करना होता है hidden lines. So let's draw that hidden lines. वो hidden lines यहीं पर आएगा. Okay, so draw that hidden lines. Now I'll select this line and then I'll go to my layer. I click and other load. Load पे आऊँगा मैं और hidden का point I'll pick up. ये हो गया. I'll just select that line. I'll come here and then I'll select that hidden X2. Okay. So that is the hidden line. Now when I'm seeing here, I'm not able to completely visualize the hidden line. So what I'll do is I'll select this line. I'll go to this property. Then suddenly this this pop-up gonna be coming. Line type, we have to make a change. That let's take 0.5. We're not making any change, we have to keep it. Still not making any change, keep it 5. Yeah, that is perfect. Press escape. You can see here the hidden lines. Okay. This one, once again, we can just make the change 5. It's too heavy. So this is the way we have to mention. This is the center line, and this is the hidden line. At the same time, when we see from here, are we able to see this depth? This slot, are you able to see it when you see from here? Students, just let me know. Are you able to see this depth when you're seeing from here? No. So in that case, what you have to do is, you have to take the projection from here and then make a hidden line. Take the projection and then you have to make a hidden line. Now, the projection, whenever you are giving it C to it, the projection you make it in this color. So that will not create your diagram to be a bit dirty. Here, then copy that from here. These are the 2 lines, but I have to make a change as well in the form of hidden lines. This is also hidden lines. So make the conversion. And this 5, enter. Got these 2 hidden lines. Now it is perfect. Now it is clear, complete. Still the dimension is pending, but yes, it is fine. In this case, there is no hidden line we'll be able to see. But again, coming here, definitely we'll be able to see some hidden lines. What are that? Take the hidden line here. Yes, and this. Similarly, this is to be mirror of that option. These 2, I'll make a different color. So different color means it's a projection line. I'll be making this one. Now I want to make a hidden line. Later, this copy it, and convert this into a hidden line. This way, and this to make a change in the line type scale. 5, enter. Cross, escape. You got a hidden line. Now I'll trim. This way I can trim. Now when you see from, while seeing from here, you are not able to see these circles, isn't it? Yes or no, bachcho? While seeing from here, you are not able to see these two circles, but uske hidden lines आप देखोगे. That is there. When you see from here, you are not able to see this depth as well. That also gonna be coming. उसको कैसे बनाते हैं? Just have हमने लाइन कमांड लिया और यहाँ पे हमने लाइन ड्रॉ You have to make one line which is at an angle of 45 degrees. Okay? You have to make one line which is angle at an angle of 45 degrees. Like this way, we have to make one line. And in that case, we have to take the projection of the things, whatever we needed. Projection we needed of this. And we need the projection of this. So not to make much lines, whichever is needed, that only you have to take it. Otherwise, rest all keep it in that way only. These two lines make the change in the color this way. And then take this above. Take this above as well as this one as well. These two lines will become in the this color. And you have to make the two lines which are so this line, and then you have to copy it and you have to project it here. These two lines, once again, you have to convert it into a hidden line. That will be hidden line, and then you have to make a change in their line types here. Right. So the perfect figure what we are having right now. This way. So now you can give a color for all the type so that it should be seen very clearly. So all the visible line, it's a dark line, you show it in the terms of red color. All the type of line. The dark lines, whichever are there, you have to convert it into a red color. Convert it into a red color. Next, wherever there is a hidden line represented with the yellow color. There is no specific color is being mentioned for all, but it seems to be little seen clearly that what are the things to do, what are the things being mentioned. Similarly, the center line to be made of a cyan color, which is this one, center line. So like this, the drawing is over. We have to give the dimensions as well. So for the dimension, we just go with this. So the dimension, see to it that the dimension should not be repeated. While giving the dimension, you have to be very sure that your dimension should not be repeated. You can see here that it is going to be messy, so we'll avoid there and here. Generally, for the hidden lines, we don't give the dimension. So, this way. And try to not to give the dimension twice. The dimension, see with some dimension style is missing now. Remove the dimension style. Need to go to modify ISO standard and then it's fine. Yeah. Anyone has any question, they can ask it. Not to worry. Yes, Steve, go on.
Yes, sir. In the top, like we have shown the circle cutout and every other this. In the top view, do we have to show the circle cutout, those hidden lines, or like for the top view?
Yeah. We do have to show. Means you're talking about this and this, right?
Yes.
Yeah, definitely. We have to show. Yeah. Thanks for.
Thank you.
So we have to show it that as well. So whenever it is being seen, we are supposed to show it. So we have to be very careful with the things, whatever is present, and it should be replicated in almost all videos. Otherwise, it will create an impression that something somewhere is being given extra. This way, and then similarly here also. This way. So we'll come to once again. Just to someone is telling something, so we don't show hidden. Yeah, we are showing it. We are showing it. Yes, we are showing good. There are people who are. Yeah, Steve, go on if you have any question once again.
No, sir. I guess I forgot to put my hand down. Sorry.
Yeah. Please put your hand down. Please put your hand down. This is your file. So at the last, once it has been getting completed, the last you are supposed to mention there a front view, top view, and right hand side, which is being used with the help of a text. So with the help of the text, we will be putting that, and this is to be made with a yellow color. This is there, and what else is remaining? So let's go with this. See, precision we have kept it till 0.25. That's where it is happening. So let's make a change in the primary unit. 0.05, keep it set, and then it's let's go. Okay. Similarly here, the dimension. You're supposed to give the dimension in such a way that just by seeing a figure, one can complete the product. That way, you're supposed to give the dimension. And Similarly, here also. Something about this. To mention this as well. So please check that dimension should not be repeated. So almost all things have been done. Anything is pending? You are knowing the length, you are knowing the width, you are knowing the height of it. This strip is of 8, this is also 8, this is of 11, and this is 12. The inner circle, outer circle, you are knowing. This is the strip of 12. Yeah, one more thing we can give it here. This 15. So that will be 15, and then I'll do the same thing. I think so. Almost it is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Minimum 8 to 10 dimensions are needed. They're almost given all the time. Let's make this minimum now so that you can put it down in things. So we take a multi-line text, write it small, that is your, which this is RHSV, RHSV, height of is to be copied here as well as so this becomes your front view and this becomes your, with this diagram is over. So I hope it is clear to you all now, the students. Yes, students, anyone has any difficulty? Yeah, that's great. I hope so. All the students are knowing now how to do it and see to it that this diagram should be getting completed. As well as there is one more diagram that you have to draw it by your own and you have to submit it till next time. Till next time when you come, before that you are supposed to submit it on the GC. Since whatever is being assigned to you all people that you are supposed to complete it. So with this, should I stop the screen share now? I'll stop the screen share. I will pass on the recording, so not to worry about it. Okay, so I'll stop it. Yeah, students, so you have any query related to this? If you have it, please tell me. Yeah, anyone has a query related to this?